clear. Good little turnout going on out here. This ain't even original. What a 1K. Alright, now I hate the bugs. Now I hate that's one thing I hate about the wintertime, the bugs. But what a 1K game, it's your boy Bart. Bart lost for 1K. Back again with another banger video. Every video is a banger video, so be sure to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, bring a friend, and leave a friend. Today, man, we finally got an off day. You know what I'm saying? Had an early start, but I was just like trying to take care of like business and stuff like that. So phone ringing already. So it wasn't really nothing important getting taken care of. Well, I'm tripping now. It was all important stuff getting taken care of. It wasn't nothing interesting stuff getting taken care of. I messed up, man. That phone call just threw me all off. You know, so I tried to stop it from ringing, but it kind of, you know what I'm saying, threw my brain up in a shamble. But as you see, man, your boy got a crispy braids, you know what I'm saying? Getting that good length back, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Yeah. Alright, man, let's pull the hairball out. Man, it's tripping, man. But yeah, man, today, man, I don't have nothing planned. I'm just gonna get out and enjoy today. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a lot of just unnecessary recording going on today, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm just enjoying my day, you know, so I don't really have too many off days, especially when it's, you know what I'm saying, the weather's kind of decent. Usually when I'm off, it's always like gloomy and raining and freezing outside. But today is actually like 45, 50, you know what I'm saying, not too bad on the low end. And the sun out, that's the most important thing, man. Like the sun never out when I'm gonna have an off day. You know what I'm saying? A lot of my videos don't really be, you know what I'm saying, vivid. You know what I'm saying? Because they be all like gloomy and dark and all that. But I gotta go pick up the scat, man. I dropped it off at the car wash earlier. And yeah, man. I don't know what this video gonna be about, but we're gonna do something, man. We ain't gonna just waste this off day. You know what I'm saying? This is the good time to get good content, you know what I'm saying? I need to stop and check on the other car, the winter beater, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, cut off on me, you know what I'm saying? I actually didn't even add that clip in the last video, so I'm gonna add it in this video or the next video. I don't know, man. My mind's all scatterplot. I'm just worried about, you know what I'm saying, recording and getting content right now. So until then, man, I'm gonna turn y'all off and I'm finna hit the road, and I'm gonna turn y'all on once we get up to the car wash and picking up the car and all that. What up? Shit.
Man, fucking with this old raggedy ass car.
What happened?
Man, watch this, still got some shit on. I don't know what I ran through, an old puddle or something over there on Washington. You know they always working on shit on Washington.
That bitch glass house.
Huh?
It's that bitch glass house.
I hate that paint.
Yeah?
Love the color,
I love when it's clean.
Huh?
I love when it's clean.
Oh, bro. We gotta, man, we gotta try to go get my shit clear coated or something.
PPF.
Hell no, that shit waste of money. He told me 6,000.
6,000?
Paint.
About to say, yeah, you about to look at them
Yeah,
paint
that's what I'm
it.
saying. Clear coat ain't gonna be that much. And then what's crazy is a dude that paint cars that I know cold as hell told me, don't put that shit on your car. I said, nope. He said, don't put that shit on your car.
Clean as a motherfucker. Clean as a motherfucker.
All the way down.
Man, you know that you talking about that gray and orange cat? Well, silver and orange cat?
Yeah. No, it ain't silver. It's like it's charcoal.
Oh, it's flat gray.
Yeah, y'all.
It's rat.
Dark orange. orange dog.
He just called me looking for some tires. That's the
What kind of tires?
Wild Body 305,
Oh, yeah.
315.
You better get 315. Don't get it some full way. You probably done burnt them mugs up.
Man, them mugs, they was
a young dude.
yeah, they was popped already. I'm like, man, why you wait till you get to that point?
Yeah, he tripping.
Call me tomorrow. Where I can get some from today? Man, you know these cars exclusive. You can't get none today. It's over with.
You see that Chevy? Hello? Yeah.
Man, I'm about to go get that cologne right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I keep forgetting to go get it. Hell yeah, for 6,000? You can change the color for 6,000.
No. I said, dude told me PPF for 6 times.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
That's why I said clear
So go
color.
ahead and go to some candy for that.
Yeah.
Dude told me that candy has been 12 hours. I'm gonna be.
I didn't even know they were charging that much.
PC charged that.
What? 12,000? Think?
12, yeah.
That ain't bad.
Yeah, he told me 10 for some basic shit, but he want that bitch already like 12. Yeah.
Oh yeah. I thought they charged more than that.
Yeah.
I thought because they get down in the, they.
You probably do.
I say they tear the car all apart.
Yeah.
Type they go down engine bay, trunks.
It's crazy. I don't even do all that. This paint, this motherfucker.
Same color though, right? Huh?
I'm really feeling it. These motherfuckers cash check 12 bands. Nigga. Paint my shit. Fuck that shit.
I would.
This nigga say 12 bands.
You gotta get the YouTube going though, man. You can't keep doing all this expensive stuff and not getting paid for it. Like it's just for your pleasure. It's just for your pleasure, man. Damn, fuck was that? Y'all saw that? It ran in my damn head. It's like something flying, ran and hit me in the eye. You seen that All right, bro.
Okay, all right, y'all have a good one, man.
You too. Mine's out here in the background. Taking one around in a minute. My shit's on fire. Wish they get it pull out. What I got going on? What I got going on? Okay, gang, we got a grand pool down the street. I just had to stop up here and get my car. Chopped it up with my boy real quick. Gonna go down the street and see what's the update on the winter car. Oh, shoot. So tired, man. So tired. Matter of fact, I need to plug my phone up. My phone could have been charging. Tripping. I only got 4 minutes left on my back. On my memory chip. Hold on, gang. I'm gonna turn y'all off because I need this little 4 minutes. What up? Oh shit. What up? What up, 1K gang? It's your boy Bart. Bart Lawson 1K. Back again with another banger video. Every video is a banger video, so be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend, bring a friend, and leave a friend. My dog done pulled me out to the house. I was only going to get a haircut. You see how I got the crispy haircut. Man, this man that got me out the house and then got me down here with these folks, man. Down here, where we at, man? We at Freeland at the McDonald's. McDonald's Ford dealership. Doing some couple things, man. Actually look pretty decent out here. My car dirty in the mud though, man. Dirty. And I got a little curb rash on the tire over there. Man, I still can't out here. I ain't clean none of that. They ain't take mine.
Run, man.
Huh? Dirty in the mud, man. Say what? Alright, bet. You got some you wear glasses? Yeah, man, it's a good little turnout going on out here. Walk around, see what's going on, man. Look like doing some judging over there. You know, we late to everything, man. That's how CP is, color people. We come late. We like, you supposed to be out. It's over in like 40 minutes. We're the last people to make it up here, man.
Hey, Dig, this is a Fleetwood. I used to have one in 68.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
This Nova. See, I'm learning my cars, man. Small block. Yep, Nova. I called it, man. Right on the head. Clean thing too. I like the old car smell, but it smells like popcorn out here. GT500. Pretty nice stick shift. You mean business? You mean business? It's lean. I ain't never saw one of these. 302 in it. It's lean. I ain't never saw one. Oh, this one for sale too. It's the dealership. That's why I ain't never saw one. It's a dealership car.
I forgot all about this. My cousin called me. They asked me what was out here.
Yeah, I forgot all about it too.
And they just told me yesterday, the day before yesterday.
When we came, we got the car.
Huh?
Say when we came, we got the car.
No, the day before that. I still forgot.
This is Celine right here.
Huh?
I said this is Celine right here. I ain't never saw one of these in person.
Oh, yeah. You really gonna see too many of them?
Big block. That's a small block. Yeah, that's definitely a small block. This is a big block. See the difference? Small block, big block. Ford, Chevy. Chevelle.
owe your shit. Look, they owe your shit. they ain't thinking about my little bullshit. They owe your shit, boy.
They don't know.
It's that green.
Yeah, it's that green. They pop with that orange.
You want the car that really stick out, boy. It's green, it's orange, together.
The brightest color you can find. That's why I went with that orange. Big shit. This mug Pro Charge. This ain't even the original motor that come in this mug. This mug swap.
Oh yeah, this mother fast.
Yeah, this definitely swap. Or unless you just got different heads and intake on it. I ain't gonna say swap.
Whole new. You see that motherfucker LS6?
Yeah, that's a different intake for sure. And like different heads.
Whole new motor.
And definitely different heads and intake.
Running.
Yeah, he running.
Bro.
He's got a fire tune. He probably got a fire tune on there. But neck and neck.
I don't know.
You think he getting you neck and neck?
I don't know. Exactly.
Neck and neck. This what I need for the Chevy right here.
You got the thing in it.
Nah, I want a 6.2 though. This is a.
5.7.
I thought that was a 6.2. Ain't not bad though. You got the whole Corvette interior in here. Oh, look, Corvette interior swap. Got the muffins in there. Bunch of stuff popping up. 2 carburetors. Bunch of stuff popping up. I don't know what they're doing over there. I think they're doing some judging over there. So I'm just walk over here for now. Make my way around. I ain't heard a stock scat so long. Oh, y'all love these. Bel Airs, I think it is. Whatever it is. Victoria. Crown Vic. Oh, it's a Crown Vic. You got muffins in there too. Guess I'm the only one that didn't get the memo to bring the muffins. This the car they was in, the Jeepers Creepers. What's his name? I can't even think of his name.
That's the model, 2001, 2022. Very nice. 64.
I got old school cars out here. Truck clean in the mud. I heard they put Bondo to make these muds clean. Look at this truck. Mud wet in the mud. Glass house. That'll be me right over there with the Regal. With the racing tires on it. Leather tires.
This one is okay.
I thought this was Justin car. Other Justin car I seen didn't have red interior. That's my old supervisor. This ain't it. This is a real ZL6. It look like a ZL6. This is a ZL6. I ain't look at that. Yeah, it's a ZL6. Wacky stuff. Took the supercharger off and Pro Charger? Yeah, he did. Supercharger off and Pro Charger. Man, it's hard in the mud to work on this little thing. What do you got going on? Supercharge. LS9. This is what I need in the Chevy right here. LS9. Shoo. What that was cranking up? 6.0. It's not 6.0. Why are they no more going back? Red interior. Red seats, what you say?
Is you buzzing everybody?
Oh no, that's not me.
No.
I think this the guy that counted. Let me see what this is. I want to say this is. Oh, this is not Mickey car.
Only one door. I mean, one
Nah, this is definitely not Mickey car. Not with that car seat in there.
I like to see this.
What up, bro? Where that Regal at?
Still getting work
Oh, it is. I appreciate it. Road charge too. Something smell good. Well, I ain't something. One of these cars smell good, and I went, damn. Tape player. Look at that. Got some little buttons in there. What up with you? Okay. This is what I need. My car. Whole bill sheet. Why are they using 391 variants no more? They using 309. Here we go. Now we smell at the old school car smell. Well, they've been up here and smelling like the old school car yet. Look at y'all got their little special scents on them. Yeah, that's the random thing. Crazy pipe in it. Crazy exhaust. That's June 10th. I thought that's what this was.
Oh man.
All right, Tommy. Keep in touch.
Here. 9 liter. Super charged. Oh, that. 383. I knew what it was. That's why I said whoa like that. That's what I got in the Chevy. I gotta put that MSD kit on it. I don't know if I need a full pack though. This is MSD 6AL. That's what I need. MSD spark plug wires. Probably do the spark plug wires. Put the box in. You probably got some nitrogen or something that break holes. Got that cute little alternator in there. That's cute. 6 horsepower. Change the header. Give me some ceramic coated headers. But yeah, again, this is motivation right here. I'm gonna go crazy. A whole new master cylinder. Wish he had his had a transmission you run in there. These Foos wheels here at the
It's clean.
yeah, real nice, real nice. I don't know what kind of route I'm gonna do. Okay. Mustang. Camaro seen this SS around town. I did not know that dude was driving that. That's the guy that just said, but this was nice. He's over here got that. It's like they like that motherfucker. That's pretty much it. Everybody rolling out. Told us we get there at the ass end. Told you we get there at the ass end. What? What'd he say?
He said the police gonna block the road when they get ready to pull out. He says as long as you don't do a 360, you all right. Smoke them if you got them. These motherfuckers should act a fool.
Yeah. You turn the camera off real quick.
A few moments later.
Oh my God, I just wasn't recording. Oh my God. Man, I'm pissed, bro. Bro, no way. Oh shit, all this got daggone debris in the road. No way the police blocked the road off for us to do burnouts. Like, that was so different, and I'm so upset that I didn't get to catch it on video. Dang, we got something else going on down here. Oh, like a carnival. But man, no way the police let us do this. That's what you call YT privilege. There's a lot of people out walking around up here, so best to pay attention to my surroundings and all of that good stuff. There we go. We at the gas station now. But no way the police blocked both lanes off on incoming and going. Hey, no way they just did that. No, I told you I wouldn't lie. They sit up there and block both lanes off so you can stab out. Man, it's a bathroom here. I gotta use the bathroom, gang. I'm gonna turn that back on, man. Yeah, gang, the bathroom was too full. But man, this is the most craziest stuff I ever seen in my life, man. This nigga, man. That's crazy, man. This video finna go up. So this video finna go up. Finna do numbers. Finna do numbers for sure.
Gonna get my daughter and take her to that little carnival little thing.
Yeah, I figured that's what this was.
Running rubber in front of the police got me paranoid. Hey, they was geek as hell with
Yeah, they was.
doing all this. I should have stopped. I was like, no, that's enough.
Did.
I shot through that bitch like a rocket.
Yeah, you did.
Like, God.
You hit
My
it.
cousin was parked up there on the side. I forgot to stop and say something to him.
You hit it. I say I ain't had no choice but to hit it. I ain't gonna let you show up on me, show out on me, and I'm gonna show out King.
I probably heard your shit all the way to St. All the way to BV. Your shit loud.
I took both my mufflers off. Yeah.
You see that shit Cali Muscle putting on his car is that motherfucking AW or some shit. Some different shit.
I'm gonna look it up when I get to the crib though.
That thing going crazy. Changed the six off like 4 times.
And he got my phone, man. Left my phone in the car. Hey, I'm going crazy with the scuffed up rims and all.
You gonna get it right.
Scuffed up rims and all. Thank you. Oh, this camera be dying super fast, bro. Let me put it on charge real quick. And we having a ball right now, man. Come on, man. What the hell, man? Turn the camera off so it get good charge, man. Second thought, let me go on and keep this camera rolling, man. That's how I missed some stuff last time. Man, I wish I got that on video, man. Man, bro, you can do whatever out here, man. The police super cool. Let they catch that little skin, right here. Did they catch you that skin color? Oh no, your ass is grass. She was up there with the YT people, so they let us do. We had the YT people privileges. That's crazy. I can't believe they just did that. There go one right here creeping up. Had to jump out in traffic. Yeah. Lit out here, man. Whole bunch of people and stuff going on. I'm too nervous to even flip the camera to even try to put it on something, try to get my attention off the road. Damn, RCA, oh my God. Yeah, man. it's too many cars on both sides of the street to take my attention off the road and try to turn the camera around. So I don't want to get sidetracked and mess around it. But see what I mean? It's cars on both sides of the street. I don't want to get sidetracked and all of that. Light on, man. Don't know why. Forgot to have the scan that earlier. Y'all see it, man. Y'all see what's going on. Nathan's going on. So I'm gonna turn the camera off. And I'm gonna stop wasting your time saying I'm gonna turn the camera off and turn it back on in a minute, because I'm not gonna turn it back on in a minute because I'm not doing nothing interesting. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, bring a friend, leave a friend. Thank you all for tuning in to this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, you hit the post notification bell, and turn on all post notifications so you get every time I drop. And yeah, man, that's how we gonna end this one, bro. But be sure to keep tuning in to every video, because it be jewels and gems in every video and cool stuff in every single video. Even if I'm not talking about nothing, it's still like good stuff to see in every video. You know what I'm saying? I don't really post too many boring videos. You know what I'm saying? I'm just like insecure like that. I don't like to post boring videos. So I believe that's all, man. Let me stop talking, man. But before I go, I gotta hit y'all with it one more time. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, bring a friend, and leave a friend. Let's get out of here.